Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the April 2024 Electrical Engineering Board Exam, Engineering Mathematics, which is from Algebra. Pero before that, shoutout muna sa mga Lodi Cakes natin, sila Ruben John Baludo, kay Michael Angelo Cabuga, kay JV Bustarde, kay Jaynold Murillo, kay John Arzaga, kay Vin Corpus, kay Ringly Nazaro. Maraming salamat sa mga Lodi Cakes natin na to na patuloy na sumusuporta sa channel natin, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, pati na rin sa TikTok mga Lodi Cakes. So yung problem natin is the geometric mean and the arithmetic mean of two numbers are 8 and 10, respectively. What is the harmonic mean? Okay, so tandaan muna natin na ano po ba Sir IJ yung geometric mean ng dalawang numbers? Ano po ba yung arithmetic mean? So yung pinakamadali, yung arithmetic mean. So let's say, let x and y be our numbers. Let x and y be the two numbers, mga idolo. Okay? So paano gagawin dyan, Sir IJ? So tandaan natin, arithmetic, that is just the average. So parang total mo lang sila divided by kung ilan ba yung numbers na binigay. Since these are just 2, so the arithmetic mean of two numbers is just equal to x plus y all over 2. Okay? Tapos kapag naman we are dealing with geometric mean, so yung geometric mean kasi mga Lodi Cakes, that is in terms of the ratio itself. So dapat meron tayong common ratio, dito kasi common difference. So the geometric mean of two numbers is equal to square root of xy. Pero Sir IJ, paano po pag tinanong kami ng geometric mean, Sir IJ, ng tatlo or more numbers? Kapag tatlo, kukunin nyo lang yung product niya, tas get the cube root. Kapag apat, fourth root ng product nila, fifth root, ganun, etc. Depende kung ilan, yun yung magiging index nyo. Dito kasi dalawa lang siya, kaya 2 lang to, so that is square root. Okay, so ito na, meron na tayong dalawa. Sir IJ, ano po ba ang harmonic mean? So let's just go back to the concept na ang harmonic mean is, or the harmonic sequence is just the reciprocal of an arithmetic sequence. So let's say meron tayong arithmetic sequence na 2, 4, 6, 8. So for example, meron tayong arithmetic sequence na 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So this is an arithmetic sequence, guys. So in terms of its harmonic sequence counterpart, just get the reciprocals. So that is 1/2, 1/4, 1/6, and 1/8. So ano yung harmonic mean, Sir IJ? Ang harmonic mean, guys, ng dalawang numbers is kukunin mo lang yung average nito, mga idolo, nung sa arithmetic natin. 'Di ba? Ni-reciprocal natin sila, mga Lodi Cakes. Kukunin mo yung average niya, tapos i-reciprocal mo ulit. Okay? So ano po formula ng harmonic mean, Lodi Cakes? So the harmonic mean of two numbers is equal to 2xy all over x plus y. Sir IJ, additional question lang po. Paano po, Sir IJ, kapag super dami na po ng numbers natin? Let's say meron tayong tatlong numbers. Okay, in general, so the harmonic mean of any numbers, like for example, we have 3 numbers. So that is just n all over 1 over a sub 1 plus 1 over a sub 2 plus dot hanggang 1 over a sub n. So kung meron kang 3 numbers, gamitin mo lang tong 3, tas ito yung tatlong numbers natin. Kung 4 siya, 4, tas yung apat na numbers. Ganun lang po siya in general. Pag dalawang numbers naman, that is just, pwede mo kasing i-derive eh. Ito yung pinaka-derive niya. So kunyari, dalawang numbers, so that is just 2 over 1 over x plus 1 over y. Kapag sinimplify nyo po itong mga Lodi Cakes, you will come up with this formula, mga idolo. The harmonic mean is just equal to 2xy all over x plus y. So, paano natin kukunin yung harmonic mean yan, Sir IJ? So, the harmonic mean in terms of the geometric mean and the arithmetic mean is just equivalent to the square of the geometric mean all over the arithmetic mean. Kapag ito, in-square natin, it will become xy. Kapag dinivide mo dito, magiging 2xy all over x plus y. So, ito na yung magiging shortcut natin, although looks fun to sa mga ii natin. Yung iba, looks fun pa, di ba? Pero this is just a matter of review lang, mga idolo. Although alam ko na basic lang naman. So, that is just 8 squared all over 10. So, this is equal to 64 over 10, or that is 6.4. So, this is our answer for the given board problem. Also guys, sa mga naghahanap ng calculator na pwede nilang gamitin sa boards, so meron tayong Cars KC-S99 calculator, S991 calculator na mura na, solid ba? Halos same lang ng cash mga Lodi Cakes. So tingnan nyo na lang sa Yellow Basket ni Sir IJ. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na nagsusubscribe sa channel natin, sa mga nanonood. sa iba't ibang platform na meron sa Sir IJ. And sobrang na-appreciate ko yun guys. And sana mas marami pa kayong matutunan sa mga susunod na engineering and math related tutorials ni Sir IJ. And I hope you all the best. Kita-kits. Bye-bye and God bless.